Hey, what's up, guys? It's Ahmed again, A to Z Auto Masters. Today, we're just a quick video about that massive turbo we received from our friends at MaxSpeedandRods.com. Check them out; they have some crazy stuff. This turbo, we got it about few months ago, and it was sitting at the shop. We've been extremely busy. So I just have the chance to open the box and look inside. Comes with all the gaskets. It's a massive turbo. Look at that. They have more than turbos. They have tools. They have a lot of parts. Check them out. Maybe you can find something that you would like.